If you want to use voice control on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case you want to open Settings. Next, in Settings, we can scroll down and choose Accessibility, and then in here look for Voice Control. Over here we can press Set up Voice Control, and then you can choose if you want to use English United States or any other language, of course, and then we can press Continue. After that, you will see some example voice commands that you can use in order to navigate on your iPhone without having to use it at all. So you can control it with your voice. Let's say we can say stuff like go home, go back, stop listening, and so on and so forth, or you can open any application. So let's say we're gonna press done. And in case you need to go back to these commands, you can just go back to the voice control, and you can, for example, open commands over here in order to find a bunch of different options. So let's say we're gonna say go back. Go back. There we go. Go home. Go home. Open settings. There we go. So as you can see, it works just fine. Sometimes you have to repeat yourself, but sometimes it works just good enough. And of course, we can say stop listening. Stop listening. There we go. And now the voice control is off. We can say start listening in order to, of course, resume. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.